everything done. Bags packed to run the run today. We're really on our way, yeah. Feel like we'll soon explode. Got the good old party mode, okay?
Oh, come on,
soon we're on our way, yeah. And our friends sure will tag along, 'cause today's the day they all will join. It's great, we're really on our way, yeah. Don't you bail now when all is said, 'cause today's the day that all our friends will join.
So they're starting the morning off with finishing off the ice cream that we did not want to waste, because we are cleaning the room out. And actually the maid, even though it's not even time for us to check out, the maid is outside the room waiting for us. Alright, so everything, I just got to get the towels out and we're out of here. Oh. So it's time for some putt-putt. You can't go to the beach without playing putt-putt.
Oh, yeah.
And look, added bonus.
Not real. Yeah.
Cockatoo. Oh.
It's like the bird from Rio.
Uh-huh.
Can I stick my finger in there?
No, you don't stick your finger in there.
Why?
Although he'd be less likely to bite than him.
Look, I'm petting him.
Yeah. Huh?
Why do they all look so bad?
Oh, yeah. No.
Michael, you can pet this one. This one's name is Dolly and it talks.
I guess they're used to. Oh, a macaw. Oh, it's actually kind of sad that this big, huge macaw is in this. He needs to be in a big aviary. Oh.
Rumble?
Why?
He looks sick.
Huh? On your top.
Tiny with feathers.
Ooh, that's an African gray.
What happened to his neck?
Amazon blue frog. Somewhere there's a...
Hi.
Maybe that's the Amazon blue frog.
Alright, let's go play some putt-putt.
Mommy, I'm gonna
Oh,
keep this.
that's Dolly,
I
okay.
ripped it off its snow. I found this.
Well, that's what didn't I say? Oh, cool. Here, put it in my bag. Didn't I say this one's more likely you can touch where that one you can't?
Yeah. He's nice.
Apparently the signs...
Oh, this is Angel. This is Angel. That's Hugo.
What is your Hugo, just talk to her. Hi, Hugo.
No, Hugo's in the corner. That's
Oh, is this the one that talks? Hello.
Is he mocking you?
Hi. Hi, you want a cracker?
Rumble. Rumble.
Oh, this one's Jessie.
Yeah, the African gray.
Hello.
Jessie and Rosie, and that's Dolly.
Dolly, yeah.
This Dolly can talk.
Hello.
Rosie's not looking
It
too
keeps saying
great.
hello.
Oh, this is Nico.
It just whistled. It just
He's mocking you.
Talk, say something.
hello.
Skylar, whistle. Whistle.
No, that bird just got in that.
Oh, that's hilarious. Oh my gosh, so a little wild bird got in eating the food. Alright, let's get... That's to feed the turtles. Alright, we have our lays and our matching balls.
Mommy, look at the turtle.
And we're about to start. You see a turtle already?
Right there.
And let's see. Oh, yep. Waiting for food.
Langley, you can't start.
Yeah, it has been many, many years since we have played putt-putt.
Where do we start?
Alright, we're going youngest to oldest. And this is his first shot. Oh, close. Alright, Skylin. Let's see how well you do on your first. Leave it there, Lakeland. Leave it there.
I can just get it up some. Because it's so close to the wall.
Langley. Oh, is that too distracting for you? I guess so.
Where's your cheerleader, Langley? Go.
So Skyland got a hole-in-one on the second. See how Langley does? And Langley got a hole-in-one. Oh, I'm next. Okay, go. Next.
Really can't hide your fear. If this tiki bar closes down tonight, I just might build a beer. Thank God the tiki bar. Thank God.
Hey, I went in.
Did you get a hole-in-one?
This one's really skinny. I'm so thirsty.
Sure that's a frog and not a bug.
It looks like a frog. Yeah, it's definitely a frog. Here, come here. Like, go.
Called Ringmaster. Here's Kylan, you can hold this. And then after Lakeland tries, somebody else tries.
I want to try and make it this one, though. No. Oh, that was close.
So we're at Margaritaville again. Since the other night when we tried, there was over an hour and a half wait.
It was 3 hours. It was 3.
Oh, it was 3? Oh yeah, for parties over 4. So we did not eat. So we're going to try again for lunch today.
Yeah.
So we are being seated upstairs. Cool. So Lakeland's excited because instead of crayons and a coloring book, they give you, or give kids, wiki sticks. So that's kind of cool. Periodically. I like the way the sauces, your dressing for salads come in a little shot glass. Is that not awesome? So chicken tenders and sweet potato fries, turkey burger and a salad, grilled chicken sandwiches and a turkey blue cheese burger. Well, here is the Myrtle Beach Sky Wheel, which I really do not remember being there when we were here 3 years ago.
Let's go on it.
I seem to remember there being something, but I don't remember it being that big.
Yeah.
It was like nighttime when we were down this way. You know what the good thing about that one is? Doors.
Yeah, tours. And as we're leaving Myrtle Beach, 100 degrees. Okay, I'm getting ready to totally gross y'all out. So we went on vacation to the beach and evidently had left a, like a cup that wasn't completely rinsed, must have had some juice in it. And when we came back, we had tons of ants coming from the window. So we got one of these traps, which attracted even more. And this is just literally disgusting. I mean, you watch these and you could have nightmares. So I'm hoping that this stuff, they take all this goody stuff that they're soaking up back to their little queen, their home, and then they all just die because this is awful.